A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes. Students, this is the video for class 4th, Moral Science Revision, lesson number 9. So class, let us start today's class. As we have completed our annual syllabus, Moral Science syllabus is from lesson number 6 to 10. In your second term, we have completed from lesson number 6 to 10. Lesson number 6 is Forgiving Love. Number 7 is The Road to Success. Lesson number 8, Places of Worship. Lesson number 9, Clean City. And lesson number 10, Games and Health. As we have completed our syllabus and I have already informed that now we will start taking revision test. And this is already informed that today you are having revision test of lesson number 9. So here on the board you can see I have written a revision sheet. That revision sheet is of lesson number 9. So students, keep your books in your bag and take out your notebook and start writing the test. Let me read the test for you. The first question is, write true or false for given statements. Here, as you can see in question number 1, we have two statements. You have to note down the statements and then you have to tell whether it is true or false. I will keep my room clean. I will keep the plastic bags in the recycle bin. So these two statements you have to note down and then you have to tell whether it is true or false. Then we have question number 2. How can we keep our classroom clean? So you have to write the answer of this question, how you can keep your classroom clean. Then question number 3 is, write 2 suggestions to keep our home and surroundings clean. Here in this question, what you have to do, you have to write 2 suggestions to keep your surroundings and home clean. Okay, how many suggestions do you need to write? You have to write 2 suggestions. How can you keep them clean? Then question number 4 is, write suggestions. Here you are following some situations and if you are facing these situations, what suggestion you will give? You have to write your creative suggestions. First, like someone throws waste through a train window. You have seen someone or a person who is throwing waste material through a train window. So what suggestion will you give? You have to write the suggestion. Then someone writes on courtyard wall. Here you have seen that someone or a person who is writing on the wall. So what will you say? What suggestion will you give? So this is the test. So what you will do? Just take out your notebook, open the notebook, mention the date at the corner, then heading revision test lesson number 9. And after that note down the questions in your notebook. Remember, first note down the revision sheet. After that try to solve the answers. First note down the question. All of you note down the test in your notebook. Let me read the test again. Question number 1 is, write true or false for given statements. I will keep my room clean. I will keep the plastic bags in the recycle bin. Then question number 2 is, how can we keep our classroom clean? Question number 3 is, write 2 suggestions to keep our home and surroundings clean. Question number 4, write suggestions. Someone throws waste through a train window. Someone writes on courtyard wall. Note down the question, then write the answers. After that, we will discuss the answers. So students, now let us discuss the answers. I hope you all have noted down the test. So your revision test, now let us see the answers. Question number 1. Your question number 1 was, write true or false for the given statement. First statement was, I will keep my room clean. So what is the answer of this? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. I will keep my room clean. So this is true. Check your answers. If your answer is correct, just mark right. I will keep the plastic bags in the recycle bin. Yes, that is also true. So mark your answers if your answers are correct. So your next question was, how can you keep your classroom clean? We can keep our classroom clean by throwing waste in dustbin. How can you keep your classroom clean? By throwing waste in dustbin. Your next question was, give 2 suggestions to keep your home and surroundings clean. So what can be the suggestions? Like throwing waste in dustbin. Yes, definitely this will be the one. And the second is avoid using polythene bags. We should not use polythene bags, so we should avoid it. So these can be the suggestions to keep your surroundings and home clean. Then your last question was to give creative suggestions. Okay, someone who throws the waste from through the train window. So what suggestion will you give? We will ask him not to throw the waste outside. So what suggestion you will give? Not to throw the waste outside. Next suggestion, we will ask him not to write on the wall. If you see a person who is writing something on the wall, what you will say? What suggestion will you give? That not to write on the wall. So these are the suggestions, creative suggestions. Check your answers, everyone. Let me read the answers first. Answer number 2 is, we can keep our classroom clean by throwing waste in dustbin. Check your answers. Check the spellings. If anything is wrong, just make cross or circle and do the correction. Answer number 3 is, write 2 suggestions to keep your home and classroom clean. That is, throwing waste in dustbin, avoid using polythene bags. Then creative suggestions. We will ask him not to throw the waste outside. If you see a person who is throwing waste through the train window, so the suggestion, what suggestion you will give? We will ask him not to throw the waste outside. Number 2 was, we will ask him not to write on the wall. If you see a person who is writing on the wall, so what suggestion will you give? We will ask him not to write on the wall. Check all the answers. If anything is wrong, wrong spellings, wrong answer, just make a cross over it or circle it and then write the full answer again. Okay, you have to write full answer again by writing correction work. Students, after checking the answers, this is one more thing you have to do. In your notebook, you can see on the screen some place cards are given. So you have to make these place cards in your notebook. Okay, these are the play cards. You have to draw them in your notebook, color it, make it beautifully. First, one by one, draw all 4 in your notebook with the pencil, and after that you can use crayon or pencil colors. Okay, this is very important. This can come in your exam also, so practice for it. This is for your practice. You practice for them. Make it beautiful by drawing it and coloring it, doing practice again and again in your notebook. Now it's a time for home assignment. As you can see on the screen, home assignment. In homework, what will you do? You have to learn lesson number 10, that is games and health. This chapter is related to games and health. Okay, how physical activities, physical exercises are important for your good health. So this chapter you have to learn, read full chapter, prepare question answers, true, false, exercises which are given in this chapter. Prepare it well, and tomorrow I will take the revision test of this chapter. Okay, read the full chapter because some exercises, true, false, one word answers, fill in the blanks can be come from the middle of the chapter also. So first you read the chapter, then prepare it. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Learn the homework. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.